please place the machine face to us. Then you can see the left bottle is for keeping powder, and the right one is for recycling. And please make sure the powder of this bottle should be kept 2/3, or the powder will not outflow from this rope.
Crystal handle.
Okay.
Okay. Let's to have a try, and you will find the crystal powder is coming from the tube very fast. Yes. For this button, you can adjust the speed of the crystal powder. You can adjust from minimum to max. Usually, we suggest you to adjust the speed to moderate. Yes, and you will find the crystal powder. Yes, come from the tube. Yes. See here. Very fast. Actually, you can also adjust the speed. Yeah, lower. And next to observe. Okay. If you find there is the crystal powder coming from the tube, please check if this button put at minimum, and also please check if the crystal powder is lower than 2/3. Yes. Okay. And also you need to adjust the intensity of the microdermabrasion. Yes. And for this one, this is a filter for you to receive dirty when you use the microdermabrasion function. And there is a filter. Usually, you need to replace this filter after use around 6 months. We put one extra plastic filter for it. You just need to replace it and unpack this cap and replace it. Also, there is one pack of metal tips. The metal tips is for you to replace. Yes. There is some metal tips into the crystal handles. You just need to replace after using 1 or 2 months. And we also send some disposable crystal caps for you. You need to replace it after each using. If you use it at different clients, we suggest you replace the tips one by one. It is good for people's skin health. Okay.